If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To view the apps in QuickBooks Online, click the Apps link in the navigation bar. If needed, then click the Find Apps tab in the page that opens to the right to find apps that work with QuickBooks Online Plus. These are Intuit and third-party applications that integrate into QuickBooks Online, making it more efficient and easier to use. Many provide features not available in QuickBooks Online. There is a large selection of constantly changing apps on the page. Some apps may disappear or change as they are discontinued or updated. An important point to remember is that some apps may require a subscription fee and an account outside of QuickBooks Online Plus to use them. At the top of the page is a large search field which you can use to search for apps. Alternatively, you can click the Browse Categories drop-down to select an app category to view apps in that category. If you browse an app category, you can click the Back to Home page link in the upper left corner of the category page to return to the main Find Apps page. To learn more about an app or download it, click an app's description to open a window with a description of the app and often a video. There are tabs across the top of the page for Overview, Pricing, Reviews, Similar, and FAQs. Clicking these tabs shows the related information. To download the app, click the green Get App Now or Learn More button. Generally, a new tab then opens and the process starts automatically. Depending on the app, follow any further instructions to integrate it into QuickBooks Online Plus. Alternatively, to return to the Find Apps page or the category page from which you opened the apps page, click the X button in the upper right corner of the apps page. To view and manage the apps you have installed after you install an app in QuickBooks Online, click the Overview page. Your apps appear within the My Apps section on this page. To manage the app, click the triple dot icon for the app and then select a choice from the menu that appears. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.